It's a beautiful Saturday here at the Blaine Complex Center, where you have the tournaments of the veterans from Cameroons are clashing. Titans, the Giants are all in, they've all descended in the Blaine here, and you can hear the trumpets that are noising up. They're making noises because some teams have advanced to the final or semi-finals, which the finals is the following day. Life is about a journey, it's about sports, it's about celebration. Often we allow circumstances and challenges to hold us back, to deprive us with that could have been joyous in our journey of life. So I challenge you, I encourage you on this weekend, no matter what is going on in your life, take a deep breath, take a moment and move your attention from that which you do not like in terms of thinking about it, in terms of lamenting about it, and place your attention on the joy that could be yours if things were much better. Assume, imagine, feel, and take that into your mind and invoke the feeling that support that idea, so that you can enjoy this weekend and learn to enjoy life going forward. Because it's about preserving the peace, the joy that is yours. It's not about engaging with the circumstances that are not as productive, they're not as supportive, they're not as pleasing as you would have liked it to be. So start today, don't wait for tomorrow. Take a brave step and assume that you are happier. And try to add a smile in that assumption. And try to add a laugh where you can, so that you can take your attention and burden yourself with the challenges and difficulties you're having. I challenge you and I encourage you to give it a try. Until then, I'll be back. But before I go, I ask you to always share, to always provide comments. They are greatly appreciated. And above all, subscribe, like. It adds value to that which I create. It encourages me, but most important, it makes the content more engaging. Your engagement is of great value to that which I do. Thank you.